Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? My husband had taken me for lunch again. And we went some shopping as well. And then we just finished now. And then we went to jewelry shop. And my husband bought for me my bagong hikaw, new earring. So thank you for my honey. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
That's my earring there. My husband bought for me. So iyan guys, kapag palagi kayo magpaganda, malinis, maganda, paganda, katulad ko, charot. Ganun talaga. Ang pagmamahalan ay hindi natatapos lang kung limbawa sabihin ay may edad na kayo. Limbawa may edad na kayo, hindi dyan natatapos. Ang pagmamahalan ay habang buhay yan. So kahit may edad na kayo, kailangan na dyan pa yung pagmamahalan nyo. Kahit may mga kulubot na kayo, katulad ko, may mga kulubot na, ay kailangan natin nandyan ang pagmamahal. Hindi lang yung tinatawag nga mahal ha. Kailangan may flexion. Kailangan may romantic. Kasabihan nga, romantiko. Ganon guys. Kaya ganon kami mag-asawa. So kahit hindi ko okasyon, kung ano walang okasyon, ay binibilhan talaga niyan ako niyan. Minsan tumitingin lang kami na next safe time, just shopping, just look around, just shopping, window shopping. And then when I want something, my husband, he will buy for me if he's got money. If he got no money, it's okay, it's fine. So that's why I got my earring today. So ganyan ang pagmamahal. So ayan ang bagong earring ko. Thank you so much for watching guys. Please follow me, subscribe me in my YouTube channel, Ruthie Peters. Thank you for watching.